seasons.
A global teacher is like spring.
Global teachers like spring, who nurtures new sprout, encourages and leads them whenever they have doubts.
A global teacher is like summer. A global teacher is like fall.
Global teacher is like winter.
Global teachers like winter, while it's snowing hard outside, keeping students comfortable as a warm and helpful guide. A global teachers do all these things. Global teachers do all these things with a pleasant attitude. A global teacher for all seasons, and you have my gratitude. A global teacher for all seasons.